Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at the best extra-large 28 by 34-inch 50-count dog pee pads on the market, the Powools puppy pads. If you're tired of cleaning up after your pup or you're potty training a new family member, this is the product you've been searching for. Let's jump right in with what sets these pads apart. The Powools pee pads come in an impressive extra-large size of 34 by 28 inches. That means more surface area for your pet, less mess for you, and better overall coverage for your floors. Whether you've got a little Yorkie or a big golden retriever, these pads are designed for all breeds, big or small. Now, what makes these pads really effective is the advanced 6-layer construction. At the heart of it is an ultra-absorbent polymer core that turns liquid into gel instantly. This feature is crucial if you want to avoid that unpleasant wet feeling on your pet's paws. Not only does it trap liquid efficiently, but it also dries almost immediately, minimizing any chance of tracking urine across your home. One of the standout features of these pads is the leak-proof design. The bottom layer is a premium PE film that acts as a total barrier to liquid. No more soaking through onto your carpets, hardwood floors, or furniture. And the widened edge lining is a clever touch. It prevents spills from rolling off the sides, which is a problem with many other training pads. And there's more, these pads aren't just functional, they're smart. Powools has added a pheromone attractant that naturally encourages dogs to use the pad. So instead of chasing your pup around and hoping for the best, your dog is more likely to use the pad on its own. That means faster, easier training and far fewer accidents. Comfort also hasn't been overlooked. The top layer is quilted and soft, so even if your pet lays down on it, there's no rough or scratchy texture. It's gentle on the paws and welcoming for dogs of any age, especially puppies and older dogs who may have limited mobility. The value proposition is strong here too. A 50-pack gives you a long-lasting supply, and since these are highly absorbent, you might not even need to change them as frequently. Depending on your dog's needs, one pack can last up to 100 days, making it an economical choice. Now let's talk versatility. These pads aren't limited to just indoor floor spaces. They're perfect for crates, kennels, or even car seats when you're on the go. Planning a road trip? Just fold a few up and store them in the trunk. They're tear-resistant, so even if your dog scratches or paws at them, they hold their structure. If you're dealing with an aging dog, recovering pet, or a brand new puppy, Powools has really thought of everything here. From smart design to durable build, and easy disposal after use, these pads simplify life for both pet and owner. So, to wrap up, Powools 50-pack extra-large pee pads combine intelligent design with superior performance. Whether it's for training or everyday use, these pads deliver comfort, cleanliness, and reliability in one simple product. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this review helpful, and let us know in the comments what pet product you want us to test next. See you in the next video.